this gentleman right here. That's Ladder and Light Bar Ryan. I'll put his Instagram right here if you want a ladder and a light bar. But he was gonna do a 4x4 conversion. See these 4x4 conversion parts? They ended up here. So Ryan was sitting on a 4x4 conversion for 3 years, never got to it. So he said, let me just get a 2-wheel drive lift kit for my van. I did a March lifted van meet and he met Oliver, and him and Oliver became friends, and Oliver bought the parts. So what is this based off of, man?
Well, I got the parts. Well, actually, I met Ryan at your meet, right? And we got to talking, and he told me all the stuff that he had that he was no longer going to use. So, and ironically enough, he didn't live too far from me, so I got all the stuff that he was going to use, which was the axle and the wheels, no tires, and then like the lift kit I found on one of those Facebook groups, Econoline groups. Somebody was selling that Quigley kit, so I just bought that, had it cleaned up, and utilized that as well.
Let's get a close look at this, man.
These bumpers I found on Facebook Marketplace.
Savvy with it.
Right. So
move bumpers.
Yeah, I got them for a fraction of the price. And Ryan again welded them together for me.
Mr. Ryan.
So, you know.
Ryan's the man, and this came a long way. Mako paint job, right?
Yeah, I did a front end swap. I didn't know what I was doing. I just watched a couple of YouTube videos and changed the front end. I called in reinforcements to help me with the wiring for the lights to figure out, and then yeah, I took it to Mako and had them paint it. And while they were at it, I had mirrors that came off the door because this is 95, so it's a pre-smog 7.3 Power Stroke. So while they were in the process of painting it, I had them remove the old mirrors so that I can bring these mirrors up to date. The side view mirrors.
Just walk around it, man.
Added the cabin lights.
There you go. If you have a 2-wheel drive Econoline, that's what a 4-wheel drive radius arm looks like. Bilstein 5100s on this thing?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Let's walk around it. Let's walk around this thing. This thing has like a limo look inside. It's nice.
Yeah, you see it.
Yeah, go ahead and open it up. I'm gonna walk around this real quick. There you go. No transfer case yet, right, Oliver? So right now there's no transfer case hooked up, right?
No.
Okay.
I have all the parts.
He has all the parts, but that's the DIY 4x4 life, right?
Pretty much. We're doing the divorce transfer case. I bought a 37-gallon tank that I'm gonna put where my old spare went. So, and I swapped out the seats too. Just kept the bases, the original bases.
Keep the kids comfortable, right?
Right. This is my grocery getter. I drop them off at school and pick them up in this thing, so they love it.
That's what I was gonna ask you.
Yeah, they love it. Makes them the cool kid at school, I guess. Apparently, so.
And then your wife does not like the attention this van gets. Right?
Yeah, she's an introvert, by nature. So, she barely likes talking to me. Just kidding. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with it.
It looks great, man. So see, DIY 4x4 conversion. No transfer case yet. The axle's not hooked up to anything. Hey, build as you go, right?
Right.
Keep driving it.
You gotta act your wage. So I already did drive shafts and a couple other things. So.
There it is. Nice, all right. I'm gonna push this guy to get his YouTube. So I'll pin his YouTube anyway. So guys, subscribe to him. Maybe maybe I'll give him the push because I want to see all my buddies. I want to give all my buddies shine.
I did buy another conversion van, a diesel I found across the country. It's pre-emissions for the wife, so it's pretty much bone stock. I just can't leave it alone by nature. So maybe I will start a how-to channel.
Yes, sir.
How to almost do something right.
Yeah. and post some of your trip of that van, man. You were sending it to me in text. So
yeah.
Just post your other van. Hey, you're all in on vans, man. 2 vans.
Yeah. It's just convenient where we are in life. With the 2 little kids, everybody's comfortable with the dogs. It's easy.
Vans are the way to go. And then we got our first family man over there. First family man of the group that showed up. Kids love vans. I love seeing kids have fun. I wish my parents had a van when I was younger. So maybe this is why I have a van now. I'm making up for my childhood. Yeah. Like you said, you didn't have the cool stuff when you were a kid?
Did not.
Now your kids do.
Right.
Right on, man. MVP. Yeah. I'll interview you next. All right. I need to get you and Oliver. Okay.